Plan screened porch pest prevention during new home construction so the space stays comfortable and pest-free from day one. Start by choosing fine mesh screening that balances airflow with insect exclusion. To use fiberglass or stainless steel meshes with mesh counts of at least 160 to block most flies and no-see while preserving ventilation. Frame design matters, so specify sealed framing joints and overlap methods that allow a continuous insect barrier. Use foam backer or non-shrinking sealant at all screen to frame seams and where the screen meets structural members. Include screened vents for any enclosed cavities and crawl spaces to prevent pests nesting inside walls while keeping moisture out. Position vents higher than ground level and screen them with durable metal mesh. Fit doors with tight-fitting door screens and self-closers to eliminate gaps caused by user error. Adjust hinges and closers so doors always return fully closed without slamming. During construction, plan for maintenance access by avoiding hard-to-reach corners and by installing removable screen panels or clips that allow homeowners to remove panels for cleaning and repairs. Where regulations and occupant preferences allow, consider insecticide-treated screens applied by professionals, understanding they provide additional reduction in biting insects but require proper labeling and periodic replacement. Homeowners commonly underestimate gaps where utilities and fasteners penetrate framing, which lets rodents and insects inside. The fix is to route services through sealed grommets or caulked chase tubes at the time of framing to avoid retrofits. Another frequent issue is poor drainage or nearby vegetation that attracts pests to the porch perimeter. Grade soil away from foundations, install gravel or pavers in a buffer zone, and keep plants trimmed back at least 2 feet from the screen to reduce harborage. Finally, people neglect cleaning and food management, which draws ants and flies. Establish a weekly cleaning routine, store pet food indoors, and remove standing water in planters or drains to eliminate breeding sites. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to provide a space where people can discuss construction planning, including screened porch pest prevention. Our community discussion boards let homeowners and contractors exchange practical tips, ask questions, and find work through direct contact.